Students, now I am explaining to you SBI PO preliminary examination question paper 19. The first 10 questions are on reading comprehension. See, I am reading the passage. Until 540 million years ago, it is believed sponges and other simple creatures, students, better read the questions first. Let us see the questions first. What is the first question? Which of the following can be said about combinatorial innovation? It is a direct question. What is the author's view of the future of startup? It's also a direct question. According to the passage, which of the following is an outcome of current environment regarding startups? Direct question. What does the author want to convey through the phrase software is eating the world? Software is eating the world. It is the phrase used somewhere in the passage. We have to find out the meaning. It is also a direct question. Which of the following is a reason for the reluctance to take up entrepreneurship? Reluctance means antipathy, dislike. Direct question from the passage. Which of the following is the author's main objective, intention of the author? Direct question. Yes, it seems it is same in meaning. Synonym is asked here, and it is opposite. Antonym is asked. And what do the statistics regarding youth reveal? Direct question from the passage, and which of the following can be inferred in the context of the passage? Okay, opinion of the other. Okay, most of the questions are direct from the passage. Yes, let us see the passage as fast as we can. It seems it is a big passage. Oh, yes. Until 540 million years ago, it is believed sponges and other simple creatures had the planet largely to themselves. But within a few million years, the animal kingdom became much more varied. Similar to what is now happening in the digital realm, an entrepreneurial explosion. How is the present world is in the digital realm and entrepreneurial explosion. Software is eating the world. Yes, software is eating the world. What the meaning? We have a question on this phrase. No, this is actually clause. What is software is eating the world? Digital startups are bubbling up in an astonishing variety. That is the meaning of this clause. Digital Digital startups are bubbling up in an astonishing variety of services and products. Yes, astonishing means surprising. Surprising, yes. Penetrating every nook and cranny of the economy, reshaping entire industries, even changing the very notion of the firm. Good word. Notion means idea. Giving rise to a global movement. Most big cities now have a sizable startup colony, and between them are home to hundreds of startup schools. All these ecosystems are highly interconnected, which explains why internet entrepreneurs are a global crowd. The tendency is to think, here we go again at another dot-com bubble that is bound to pop. Indeed, many new offerings are simply iterations on existing ones. The danger is, where is the danger? Once again, too much money is being pumped into startups. Too much money is being pumped into startups, pump into phrasal verb. That means invested. When things popped last time, it took 10 years to reset the psychology. And even without another internet bust, more than 90% of startups will crash and burn. This time is also different. Today's entrepreneurial boom is based on more solid foundations than the 90s internet bubble, which makes it more likely to continue for the foreseeable future. Today, the basic building blocks for digital services and products, technologies of startup production have become so evolved. Evolved means increased, cheap and ubiquitous. Ubiquitous means find everywhere, that they can be easily combined and recombined. Some of these building blocks are snippets of code that can be copied free from the internet, along with easy to learn programming frameworks. Others are services for finding developers, sharing code, and testing usability. Yet, others are application programming interfaces, digital plugs that are multiplying rapidly. They allow one service to use another. For instance means for example, voice calls, maps, payments. Okay. So this passage is about startups. Most important are platform services that can host startups, offering and market them. Then there is the internet, mother of all platforms, which is now fast, universal, and wireless. Startups are best thought of as experiments on top of such platforms, testing what can be automated in business and other walks of life. Some will work out, many will not. Through this combinatorial innovation, startups are doing what humans have already done. Startups are doing what humans are already done. Apply now techniques to new problems. Technology has fueled the entrepreneur explosion in another ways. Okay. Shall we go to questions? See the first question. Which of the following can be said about combinatorial innovation? What are the options? What is said about combinatorial innovation? People with the entrepreneurial spirit, complementary skills come together to create innovative products. It is correct. It is clearly given in the passage. Innovation means with the entrepreneurial spirit, people with the entrepreneurial spirit, complementary skills come together. They are united to create innovative products. Right answer. Then what about second option? It is an easy process requiring little investment. Success is guaranteed. No. It is a system of management techniques to provide feedback to startups and help these run efficiently. No. It is a process of identifying needs using existing means. No. Helps nurture startups by identifying appropriate. No. Option 1 is exactly correct. Innovative. Second question. What is the author's view? What is his opinion of the future of startups? What is his opinion? What does the author say about the future of the startups in our country? Let us see option. He is wary of startups as these are experimental, not enduring organizations. No. He is reconciled to startups being the way of the future to the changes that will occur. Yes, this is his hope. The author of the passage is confident that startups will have a brighter future in the country. Yes. What about third option? He feels that startups are too dependent on feedback. No. Fourth option, he is of the opinion that startups are detrimental. Good word. We have two good words in English: instrumental, detrimental. Two are good words. Instrumental means helpful. Detrimental means harmful. Does he open that startups are harmful? No. Detrimental, good word, harmful, negative word. No. Infringement of others' intellectual property rights. Infringement means violation. Go beyond the law. Okay. Option 2 is exactly correct. Next question. According to the passage, which of the following is an outcome of current environment of startup? Outcome. Outcome means result. What is the result of present environment? Conventions regarding operation of startups are being devised? No. Startups are growing too slowly, thereby putting the economy at risk. Yes, it is. It is the outcome. Nowadays, no, though there is encouragement from the government, the establishment of startups in the country is a little slow and it causes economic risk. Right answer. Startups are increasingly failing? No, 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 no. Failing. Fierce competition among startups? No, 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 no. It has resulted in the collapse of political regime? No, no. So startups are nowhere related to politics. Okay. Our answer is 2. Option 2 correct. Next question is fourth question. What does the other want to convey through the phrase software is eating the world? Actually, it is not phrase. It is a clause actually in grammar. Okay. Software is eating the world. What does he mean? What does the other mean? Let us see, just as evolution wiped out lower species, technology will wipe out human beings? No. Focus on technology is too much, will create tremendous job losses. No, job losses, wrong. Software is changing existing dynamics from industries to the way we interact. No. Industries and people have become so dependent on digital power that they are vulnerable to crimes. Good. Industries and people have become so dependent on digital power. Day after day, people depend on technology, digital power. Correct answer. Software poses a threat as huge amounts of personal data, information may be misused. No, option 4 is correct. Which of the following is reason for the reluctance? Good word, noun form. Reluctance means disagree, oppose, to take up entrepreneurship. Okay. Vulnerability during economic downturn. Vulnerability means a possibility for bad. Bad. Okay. That is difficulty in acquiring mentors. No. Vast financial investments. No. Risks involved in sacrifices. No. Lack of diverse workfare. Diverse means different. No. Option 1 is correct. Which of the following is the author's main objective? Objective. What is his aim? What is his objective? Yes. What is the answer? Which of the following? Ah, to outline the difficulties of launching startups and decision entrepreneur, to enumerate the environmental factors which should be fostered to help? No. To assess the explosive growth of, yes, in the first line of the passage itself, it is given what is the intention of the author, main aim of the author. To assess means estimate the explosive growth of startups and their significance for the future. Right answer. So the objective of the passage given above is to have an estimation of the explosion of startups and their importance. Yes. Choose the word which most nearly same meaning to evolved. Evolve means increase. Nurture, no. Nurture means bring up. Inclined, no. Inclination, noun form. Inclination means a tendency, bad behavior. intended to do something bad. No. Advanced, progressed. No. Increased. Right answer. Produced. Not. Option 4 is correct. This is opposite to what is the word? Ominously. Ominously means worrying, worrying, hopeless, despair. Let us see. Inauspiciously. Auspicious means particular, special. Inauspiciously, no. Favorably, no. Understanding, no. Worryingly, no. Confidently, right answer. Opposite word. Worrying is a similar word, synonym. Confidently, right answer. Next, what do statistics regarding youth reveal? Unemployment is rampant and youth are increasingly disillusioned. Not correct. Illusion means in imagination. Disillusion, no. There is a change in mindset towards more unconventional employment. Correct. Present day generation is not ready to do traditional jobs. They want to do something innovative, unconventional. Right answer. They are keen to attain huge benefits of startups? No. They do not put stock in conventional form? No. Other than those given? No. Option 2 is exactly correct. Next question is, which of the following can be inferred in the context? Inference means opinion. What is the opinion of the author here? See, digital technology has created endless possibilities, right? Know how to set up startups is easily available. Know how to install, how to establish a startup. It is available everywhere. Third, the spread of startup is being positively viewed by government. Yes, government encourages the establishment of startups. Correct. Accelerators try to equip entrepreneurs with the capacity of successful. All the given statements are correct. Okay, student, this is reading comprehension. Now, what do we have here? This is a rearrangement of sentences. Rearrangement of sentences. How many are given? 6 sentences are given. Dear student, in order to find out the proper order of sentences, sequence of sentences, we have to identify the first word of each line. First word of each line. Let us see how A begins. However, no. And conjunction. They, pronoun. Most individuals, of course, phrase. Apart, adverb. For, preposition. Usually, a passage begins with a phrase, group of words. Let us take the most individuals fear. So many persons fear. What is their fear? Their health cover of rupees 5 lakh or 10 lakh won't be enough to take care of a medical emergency. So the governments provide 5 lakh to 10 lakh rupees for medical expenses in the country. Many people fear that amount is not enough if there is any serious uh, medical emergency. So D is considered first sentence. They believe. Who are they here? Individuals. Pronoun. Noun. This they pronoun refers to noun individuals. In the first sentence, what is said? Many individuals fear that the medical expenses of 5 lakh rupees or 10 lakh rupees is not enough. And now, what is their belief? What do they believe? Advances in medical science along with the rising cost of treatment. Now, cost of treatment rises, medications and procedures wipe out their savings and investment if they contract some serious or critical illness. If people face any serious illness, all their savings will be wiped out, spent out, because now medications, procedures, cost of treatment, everything has risen. So C is considered second sentence. Next, and these beliefs here, believe. Believe, web form, beliefs, no form. These beliefs are not misrepresented. See the how the style of language, not misrepresented. Positive, not miss. Two negatives are used here, no. So these beliefs are not misrepresented. For example, an organ transplant, say of liver or lung, can cost 20 lakh to 40 lakh. Yes, it is correct, no? So, what do people fear? It is mentioned in the first sentence. What do people believe? It is mentioned in the second sentence. Their beliefs are correct. Third sentence. What are their beliefs? For example, if any transplant, for example, liver or lung, it costs nearly 20 lakh to 40 lakh rupees. This is fourth sentence. Fourth sentence. Then okay. Apart from such exorbitant transplant costs, even the new medicines for cancer and other serious costs 500 upwards per tablet. So it costs nearly overall cost 20 lakh to 40 lakh. For other diseases like cancer, each tablet costs 500 rupees. This is considered fifth sentence. What else? However, signs of change are visible. Few insurance companies have started offering some relief from these expenses. Of course, this is the situation, but we are relieved because some insurance companies are coming forward to offer financial assistance to the customers. Six. So, what is the order now? D first sentence, C second sentence, B third sentence, F fourth sentence, E fifth sentence, A last sentence. That is the order of sentences in this exercise. Dear students, now we go to next question. These are common errors. Common errors. In the preliminary examination, definitely there will be questions on common errors. That too, they are on direct rules. See, the two brothers were caught. The two brothers were caught. Student, while reading a sentence in common errors, try to identify the part of the sentence, whether it is a phrase or a clause. Here it is a clause. The two brothers were caught while trying to steal gift packets. While trying to steal gift packets. Phrase. This is phrase. Clause is correctly given. Phrase is correctly given. From a marriage hall. Second phrase. Correct. This is also correct. In grammar, this sentence is called a simple sentence. We have a clause, we have two phrases. This is a simple sentence. See, I am reading again. The two brothers, plural, were, plural verb, were caught, passive voice. The two brothers were caught. When? When were they caught? While trying to steal. To steal. What were they trying to steal? Gift packets. Where? From a marriage hall. Correct. Sentence is correctly given. No error. Next. Professionals. Professionals with knowledge of child rights. See here, professionals subject. Where is its continuation? It is not continuation. With the knowledge of child rights alone. This is phrase. Try to identify. Professionals with knowledge of child rights alone should be appointed. Professionals should be appointed. It is also in passive voice, students. This is subject. Its continuation is here. Should be appointed. On child protection units, error. Preposition wrong. On wrong, incorrect. In child protection units. Now I am reading again. Professionals give a short pass. Students, in this sentence here we have with, no? With. This is called unit in English grammar. When a unit is given, just give a short pause and continue. Professionals should be appointed. Which professionals? With knowledge of child rights alone. On child protection, wrong. In. So error is in the fourth part. If you do not get enough sleep, if you do not get enough sleep, this is a clause. This is called conditional clause. A part of health problems, a part of health problems, comma. You also run the risk of making bad financial decisions. If you do not get enough sleep, clause correctly given. Apart, students, here we have error. Apart from is correct. Apart of, wrong. Apart from health problems. Apart from means in addition to. In addition to. Apart of, wrong. Apart from, correct. Error is in the second part. While the students of the school are gearing up to learn a new language, those already learning the language are a perturbed lot. See, while the students of the school are gearing up, gear up, phrasal verb. Gear up means getting ready. While the students of the school are gearing up, for what? To learn a new language. Phrase. To learn a new language. Those already learning the language are a perturbed lot. Here we have error. Perturb means disturb. A perturbed lot. Error. Here it is not correctly used. Okay. Error is in the fourth part. Infuse a sense of joy and enthusiasm into your daily work to make it more interesting. See, infuse means fill, fill. Infuse a sense of joy and enthusiasm into your daily work. So we do work daily, no? If you fill that work with a sense of joy and enthusiasm, infuse a sense of joy and enthusiasm into your daily work to make it more interesting. Make, not correctly used. Keep is correct verb. To keep it more interesting. Infuse a sense of joy and enthusiasm into your daily work to keep it more interesting. Make, not correct verb here. Keep correct. Yes. Now we have fill in the blanks here, students. Green and black tea are obtained from the same plant. Green and black tea are obtained from the same plant. There are quite a few significant differences. Blank them. Let us see. Although attaching, no. Since among, no. However, in, no. Though between, okay. Let me read with though conjunction here. Though green and black tea are obtained from the same plant, there are quite a few significant differences between them, correct? No? How many are here? Green tea, black tea, two. When two things are compared, what is the correct preposition? Between, not across, not among. So option 4 is correct. See, students, I am reading with answer. Though green and black tea are obtained from the same plant, there are quite few significant differences between them. Right answer. Sports leagues have blank. Students, after have, what do we require? Third form, past participle. Sports leagues have blank sports like kabaddi, football, tennis, a leg up, but that may not be blank to transform Indian sport. Okay. Sports leagues have sent? No. Have thrown? No. Have given? No. Have said? No. Have shown? Sports leagues have shown sports like kabaddi, football, tennis, a leg up, but that may not be adequate. Adequate means suitable. Suitable. Right answer. Sufficient, ample. Ample means plenty. Enough, much, adequate. Option 5 is correct. Yes. Parents need to encourage their children to look blank, the traditional fields, so that a passion can be blank into a career. Parents need to encourage whom? Their children to look blank the traditional fields, to look beyond, to look outside wrong, to look along wrong, besides wrong, within wrong. Look within the traditional fields. A passion can be matured into, developed into, beyond. Beyond the traditional. Yes, beyond correct. Beyond means more than that. Parents need to encourage their children to look beyond the traditional fields so that a passion means interest, strong interest, can be developed into a career. Option 1 is correct. Time and again, worried analysts have blank of trouble as debt laden and spendthrift consumers are blank to rein in their spending. Time and again, worried analysts have blank. After have we require third form, past participle of. After the blank we have preposition of trouble, thought of, alarmed of wrong, wonder of wrong, cautioning inform wrong, warned of wrong. After blank we have of, it is big clue for us. Thought correct. Thought of, have thought of trouble. As debt laden and spendthrift consumers are eager to reign, eager, forced to wrong, armed wrong, likely wrong, unwilling wrong. Option 1 is correct. In an blank to save, in an blank to save farmers from vagaries of monsoon, the government will soon blank villages with the nearest source. An vowel sound. Here we require a noun with vowel sound. In an event, no. Efforts plural. Endeavor means attempt. Attack, no. Attempt correct. In an attempt to save farmers from vagaries of monsoon, government will soon join villages, link villages, assign villages, allot villages, connect villages, correct. I am reading with answer. In an attempt to save farmers from vagaries of monsoon, government will soon connect villages, right answer. Option 5. What is this? Close test. We have close test here. So I am reading the passage. Yes. According to a report in 1991, there were about 5.4 billion people in the world. From 90 to 91, population increased by 95 million. now has continued to grow at that rate. This may appear to be no danger, but if one were to think of it as a pond doubling it almost amount of lily pads for 40 days, they would see it blank. They would see it blank. We require adverb. How do would know? How would they see accusingly? Accuse means blame, find fault. Differently, faithfully, fact noun, cleared verb. We require adverb no? Differently correct. See it differently. It will start out with one lily pad. The next day, it will have two, and on the 39th day, it will be half filled. On the 40th day, it will be completely filled. The Earth's population is doubling every 40 years. We don't want to wait until the 79th year to blank our problem. To blank our problem. To answer our problem. To support our problem. To elevate. Elevate means remove. To fix our problem. To pick our problem correct. To pick our problem, or else humankind will not have enough time. Okay. An expert on the subject believes the impact on the environment is equal to the population multiplied by the affluence, which means the amount of energy food supply the population blank. Population assembles, no, makes, consumes. Consume means utilize. Population consumes. Follows, gives, wrong. Option 3 is correct. Therefore, with a larger population, there is a greater impact on the Earth's water, air, and land. A common problem that people think is associated with overpopulation is blank out of space to live. Out of going out, wrong. Be out, running out. Running out means short off. Running out of space to live. Not wrong, traveling wrong. Option 3 is correct. Next, let us continue. But there are also many other environmental predicaments that it hampers. More people use more cars, need more firewood, drink more water. This causes more air pollution, more land utilization, and more water blank. More water table? No. Water availability? Water sources, right answer. Water reception? Water depletion. Depletion means removal. Option 3 is correct. So, student, this is today's paper. We shall continue in the next paper in our next class.